All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. This is Kai Report, and we are here to make sure that you set the record straight. Some of you are mistaking my identity. I've told us many times that we are not here to cause any problem. All right, I am not here to drag or support criminality or promote violence. No, we don't promote violence. We don't support criminality. Whatever you are doing, if you are constituting nuisance in our homeland and all that, I'm not here say okay because you hold Biafran flag. Oh, let me clap for you. I don't do that. When I tell you that I like this. I like it. I'm not capping. I'm not trying to, you know, play on your intelligence. So we have to go straight to the program anyway because why you agree here have something to say. Remember what you do we react on video as a content creator. I'm a content creator. Some of you say, oh, Kai Report, you are an activist. Oh, Kai Report, you are fighting for freedom fighter. You are this. I am not. I've told you many times, and I spend my time trying to explain to you the differences between all those things you are saying. If I am, I will tell you. If I belong to maybe anybody, any group, anything at all, I will tell you, I am a Biafran, an Igbo man, all right? Undiluted. I'm not here to tell you what I am not. And I support freedom. And I believe and I support freedom, that how to be free and how to achieve this freedom, you have to follow people who actually know road. And who are those? USB declared. All right, because they don't lie. If you say they do lie, you can also lecture me on that. I'll be your student. Now, why I'm saying this is because oftentimes we are seeing videos of telling Biafrans, telling the whole world who they're going to pioneers, how they're going to buy the person, how to capture somebody, bragging on those they buyed already, bragging on other things, and nobody cough. Everywhere is just like normal. There's no problem, right? He's out again saying the same thing. I don't know any of these people that he's calling, but what my concern is that these are Igbo people, right? So if they're committing crime, if their crime is that they're still or kidnapping or snatching cars, down then I will support you. I mean, I will be happy with you. But I find it difficult that somebody who claimed to be an Igbo person will tell you that if we don't anything Biafran fighters, anything Biafran people, Biafran agitators, that they are committing crime. They are committing crime according to him. Okay, then he will not turn around and tell you that you have been deceived. The man can have deceived you by telling that Biafra is coming. So if you have been deceived, the only thing you can do to people that they have been deceived is to go after those people's life and take their life. You hear him mentioning names of people that he acquired, those that he has sent to no location, and very, very proud and full of himself. Anyway, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about what we are discussing. Do you reason along with us, or you see what I'm saying as just one of the, in a senseless comment on people can see on social media? You have right to your opinion. Now, please, I want to play what he said. Remember, we do react on a video that we felt that is educative, that people are going to learn something from it. Hear this.
Okay, ndị be anyị ekene mụ na afọ m bụ Ikenga Uruagu. Onye nji maka ya n'ime broadcaster tata bụ ọchịagha Osumoghu ya na Jukwese. Mana achọrọ m ibido from ọchịagha. Ịma na a lot of people na-anụ maka ọchịagha mana ha amaghị onye ọ. Half of the picture, half of the anything about him. Now, the Ọchịagha gafegodu ha. Ka ma ho no Ọchịagha. Mana tata, m ga-egosi gị onye bụ ọchịagha. M ga-egosi gị ka ị mara onye bụ ọchịagha Osmo. Mana before m gosi gị vidiyo ọchịagha, achọrọ m ime ife ndị oyibo na-akpọ pre-bargain with ọchịagha. Ị mara ndị Boko Haram nne n'anya, o nwee ndị na-eji ekwuru ha ekwuolu ha ọnụ ha abịa negotiate gọọmenti agbaalụ some of them ndị ji aka ha chini aka elu, then emeghị ife ndị oyibo na-akpọ reintegration bụ ịkpọchigata ha to the society. After rehabilitation, he bidokwa live their normal life. I believe na ụmụnne anyị bụkwa terrorist nọ n'ime ọfịa. Enwe m the capacity and the capability to speak and negotiate for them. Onya ka nji wee suo oyibo mbọ pre-bargain with the ọchịagha Osmo and others. Ọchịagha Gent, from my investigation, odomanya na onye Anambra State ibe nke bụ, right? And imego a lot of things. Ikos go Osmo pains and the ebedi development Anambra in general. Ezoku na ndị bon Osmo onwe onye ya abịakwute jụọ ka o kwekwu okwu because ha ncha niile na-atụ gị egwu. Mana mụma bụ dike, onwe ndị na-agbalị m izu, mana abụghị m dike a na-agbalị izu maka adịka ama igwe ndị Nnewi aka n'eru. Mana mụma bụ dike n'online nwere ndị na-agbalị m izu. Na ọchịagha, a lot of you na complain na say na onwe ndị Boko Haram a na-agba alụ the same opportunity dị n'ebe ụnụ ncha nọ, Genwa, Jukwes, and the rest of you, even Gentle the Yahoo and others. If only stubbornness, foolishness will allow you people to embrace peace, I can bargain for you people. But failure to abide by that, you will perish in the bush. Imana, a lot of people warn, just like I'm warning you people now. I warn them calamity. Siam na balagaka. I warn them Oliver. Where na balagaka. I warn them Baron. Where na balagaka. I warn them Yahweh. Where na balagaka. The recent one, Megosibodonia, Mude and the others. Megosibenonia until Nde kwesịrị inye order. See showcase here in order. I will then showcase it to you people. How many of these Biafra so-called commanders and terrorists, how many of them non-custody? And I want to use this opportunity to give a shout out to Anambra State security. Ndo Operation Udogachi under KNM Akai. Emana asena nwata amaghị ihe bụ agha, nwata fụbeghị ife bụ agha na-akpụghị agha. Ịfụ agha ị na-agba ọsọ, ọ bụrụ ọsọ a na-agba jide aka n'ala, because ị na-agba you will forget the position of your breast. Now ọchịagha mụnwa bụ Ikenga na-agwa gị today, si n'ime ọfịa pụta and surrender yourself to the government. I will bargain for you and you will get amnesty. I'm not begging you to do that. I'm only telling you to do that because failure to do so, we will catch you. Go and trace my antecedents. Open Igbo ezigbo mmadụ, like you will always claim. Oh, na nwere ihe na-eme na ọbụghị na-eme nka na ọbụghị na ịchọrọ udo ịchụ udo pụta. I will sign for you. Mụnwa bụ Ikenga will sign na o nwere ife ya eme gị. The government of Anambra State enyega m next pụta. And a lot of people they are against it because ndị mmadụ anaghịzi ayọ na pụta, but mụnwa na-agwa gị pụta. Yes, ama na people ya akpọ m n'ọnụ Ikenga kedu nke bụ si nye ndị ochie anụma amnesty, mana a na-enye ndị Boko Haram amnesty. So mụnwa I will stand and sign for you. Hapụ ife ogbu ebulu, hapụ ife ọgwụ agwọtaghị ya n'ọgwụ. Ịgwọkịta ọgwụ ịma ngwọkarị odumo ịgwọkịta ọgwụ ịma ngwọ ọgwụ to compare double iron. Ịgwọkịta ọgwụ ịma ngwọ ọgwụ to compare baby ọfọdịle. Ịgwọkịta ọgwụ ịma ngwọ ọgwụ to compare iko nsọ. Mana ndị niile a they perished. Ana m agwa gị asị nwanne, opportunity a na-agwa gị not only in Anambra State, including the criminals in Imo State and Enugu State. Just put that on a phone. If you don't know how to communicate me, ije chop page anabo Ikenga see videos. Ikenga see videos. Omwanwe send the message. Gwam no gewa. Pota, I will bargain for you people. But failure to, you will perish in the bush. Even anything inside bush is assumed bushmeat. Sinimo Fiapita, surrender your weapon to the government of Anambra State. Then, efo na gema ya kande nwụrụ anwụ mma ndị nwụrụ anwụ ndị otu mmetazi ndị na chukwu ekpere nke fọrọ na jukwa ese amara nke nwere idea jukwa ese. The spiders know as close as your nose, and you can't escape it. You can't escape it. Or when actually your driver, you're actually your driver. If I have an opportunity for you to give up your criminality, but failure to do that, I got a legal budge. Now, for those of you, for the very first time online, afu begonya na po ochiaga osbo na onye bụ ochiaga efolonya onye abụ ochiaga ọkwụnfụ ka nwoke ha ọkwụnfụ dimkpa ọkwụnfụ height efe abụ ọmalịcha nwata keno Chineke kele ọfụma o decide ya no pains ka ọ ga-abụ nyere ndị Anambra State mana nwebe anybody challenge the state, Anambra State, and survived it. Go and ask. It's just a matter of time. Anambra State will bring you down. So, all Malichamwa, Efra, Ona, Onya be Queen Sua, Ononano, Anna Bochiana, one for Kwa, Opefra, Kwa, Onya, imagine to Zonia. But Otia, if you fail to take advantage of this opportunity, you will see what will happen. If I my last warning to you to Jokwese, to iPencil, to Gentle the Yahoo, and other little criminals. I may not call their name. They are nothing. If I'm going to the main criminals, Temple, B44. Ono na complain kwadeti na Gumi na-eje negotiate le be ha. Why na ya enye unu the same opportunity? Okwe the same thing can potan agbo no kita potan and embrace peace. Surrender to the government, because Biafra Nazo is just a waste of time. You have been deceived, and they have took advantage of you people, but you don't know. I will tell you the truth, and I lie you not. Come out and embrace this amnesty. Nande kanugalo no weapon amnesty na your amnesty. Ono ni mengana sokoto na your Kenya amnesty. Mane mana he ni onye ejidele amnesty. Ejidego ogun ejidego. There is nothing like amnesty no onye apatalaka. Apatagaka. Apatagaka. Okwa na. Afam Ikenga. God never go to fun.
All right, you have heard him from Mowa Yogiri. I believe everything he said you can relate. I don't need to tell you anything. Everything he wanted to say, he has said it. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I'm not gonna say much because, to be honest with you, a lot is to be said, but I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you so much, and please like the video and share it. God bless you.